So on my platform number, you can see I have my balance to be 95 and my revenue to be 5,500 now, meaning that this can actually be withdrawn, and this can be withdrawn. So I'm going to withdraw this amount now. So now what we're going to do is click on withdraw. You actually need to set your bank card. I've yet to bind my card. I'm yet to bind my card. As you can see, you haven't added the bank, so I need to do that now. So you say the bank I want to add now. So let's do that. So the bank has been added successfully. So now the next thing is for me to withdraw. So you get, okay, so let me just close this, and you can actually follow their Telegram page to in order to receive more updates. So now let's click on withdraw. So I'm going to put the amount. The amount I can actually withdraw now is just 55. So I'm withdrawing that now. Then I put my password in order to withdraw this. Then I submit my withdrawal. So withdrawal application has been submitted successfully. It has been submitted successfully. So I'm going to be credited this amount now. So let me just check if I'm being credited already. Now let's get over to my OP account. So as you can see, I just received the money from this particular wonderful platform. So after you've clicked on the link on the description of this video, so it's going to redirect you to this platform where you guys to register your account. So now I'm going to create an account, and let's go into it. So after you've put your phone number and your password, then you're going to click on verification code, which is OTP. Just click on send. So you're going to put an OTP automatically, then you click on sign up now. Okay, OTP verification error. So anytime it brings this, you just have to wait for this time to run out, or you refresh this page. You can refresh the page. So with this now, you put the phone number again. So now after you've put the details again, then you click on send. Click on send, then you click on sign up now. So you can see register success, right? So remember that your registration is very successful now. So the next thing is for you to put your username, and you can actually add a profile picture if you wish, but it's not compulsory. Then the next thing is set your username. So after this, it's going to bring me a trade key. It's going to ask me to set my trade key, or ask me to join the Telegram. So you can also download the app using this place. Just click on download stuff. So you see, this is what I was saying. It's going to say set up trade password. So this is the password that you'll be using to withdraw money from your account. So even if anyone has access to your account, they won't be able to withdraw unless they know this particular password that you're able to set. So I'm going to set that now. So I'm confirm set. Okay, they said the password has to be 6, right? Okay, so let me just increase it. So click on confirm set. Okay, so the trade password has been set successfully. Alright, so the next thing is to invest on this platform. Before you can invest on this platform, you actually need to deposit. So how do you earn on this platform? The first thing is deposit. I'm going to be depositing 4,000 on this platform. So now let's click on deposit here, deposit, and I put the amount 4,000 naira. Then I click on to deposit. So you can see it on your screen here that, sorry, let me just cancel. So you see you have two channels here. This one is between 2,000. This is deposit method A, and this is deposit method B. So you can choose between either of the two. So I'll be using the A. You can use any of the two. So I'm using A. Then it's going to bring up another page where I got to see the account number which I will transfer to. So let's this thing just load up, and once it loads up, I'm going to send money there. So you see the account now. So I'm going to transfer 4,000 into this account. So after I've transferred it there, it's going to be credited automatically into my account. As you can see on my page now, you can see deposit success. So the next thing for me to do now is to go and invest on this platform. So I click on invest. I'm going to click on invest. So you can see we have the one of 2,000 naira, and I'll be earning 860 naira every day. I have another one for 8,000, but I have just 4,000 naira to fund. So I'm going to click on 2,000 naira, and I'm going to be doing 2 of that. So I'm going to be doing 2 of that. So now let's go, which is going to, it has to be, it's going to be 8,000. So we're going to be doing 2. So 2 now meaning that my daily income is going to be 3,400 with just 4,000 naira, right? So now let's go with this, and everything we pay is 4,000. So we confirm invest. So congratulations on your successful investment. All right, so we're good to go now, right? So this is my order. So meaning that every day now I'll be earning times 2 of this. I'll be earning times 2 of these. That's just very simple. Very simple. So you can see I've already invested. I've earned 5,500 now, which I withdrew earlier on my video. So guys, another way that I can actually earn from this platform is by actually referring people to this platform. You can see team here. So you see team, so you can actually click on team, and you get your referral reward. I mean your referral link. Is that to obtain your referral link. Okay, sorry guys. Well, this is where you get your referral link. So you just come back to your home team, and when you scroll down, you see your referral link here. So you're going to copy this invite link, and you can share it to anybody. So by referring, you said invite a friend to register and become a VIP1 user and receive a commission of 1,000 naira from your referred friends, and you also earn 35% commission on every of their earnings. So if your friend invests, for example, let's go to investments. So if your friend invests 8,000 naira now, you're going to have at least 1,000 naira as a commission. Then after that, from the 3,600 naira that your friend will be making every day, you will still be having 35% commission on that. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like my video. See you on the next video. Bye.